Question number 41. By selling an article for 900 rupees, a man earns a profit that is double the loss incurred when the article is sold for 450. Find the cost price of this article. Profit is double the loss. So profit equal to 2 times of loss. Selling price minus cost price equal to double the loss. 2 times of cost price minus selling price. First selling price is 900 rupees and after the selling price is 450. 900 minus cost price equal to 2 times of cost price minus 450. 900 minus cost price equal to 2 into CP minus 900. 3 CP is equal to 900 plus 900, 1800. So cost price equal to 600. 3 6 times 1800. Cost price of this article is 600. Option D. Question number 42. The product of two numbers is 120 and the sum of their squares is 289. The sum of the two numbers is. Let the numbers are x and y. Product of two numbers is 120. So x into y. Product is x into y equal to 120. Sum of their squares is 289. X square plus y square. Sum of their squares equal to 289. The sum of the two numbers is. The sum of the two numbers is x plus y. X plus y equal to question mark. X plus y whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. X square plus y square equal to 289 plus 2 into 120. 289 plus 240 equal to 529. Twenty-three square equal to 529. Square cancel. So x plus y equal to 23. The sum of the two numbers is 23. Option A. Question number 43. A man can swim in still water at 8 km per hour. If the river is flowing at 2 km per hour, it takes 80 minutes to reach a place and return back. How far is the place? Man swim in still water 8 km per hour. River is flowing at 2 km per hour. That is speed of the stream. S is equal to 2 km per hour. It takes 80 minutes. Overall time is 80 minutes to reach a place and return back. As per question, distance by downstream speed is 8 plus 2 plus distance by upstream speed is 8 minus 2 equal to overall time is 80 minutes. 80 minutes in hours, 80 by 60. 0 0 cancel. D is common. 8 minus 2 plus 8 plus 2 divided by 8 square minus 2 square equal to 8 by 6. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. 16D divided by 8 square is 64 minus 4, 60 equal to 8 by 6. 6 1 times 6, 10 times 60. 16D equal to 8 into 10, 80. 16D equal to 80. So D is equal to 5 kilometers. Distance is 5 kilometers. Option D. Question number 44. A man walking at a speed of 8 km per hour covers a certain distance in 1 hour 45 minutes. If he runs at a speed of 10 km per hour, in what time he will cover the same distance? Speed is 8 km per hour. Speed is equal to 8 km per hour. And time is 1 hour 45 minutes. Time equal to 60 minutes plus 45 minutes, 105 minutes. 105 minutes in hours 105 by 60 equal to 21 by 12 hours. Time equal to 21 by 12 hours. And distance equal to speed into time. 8 into 21 by 12. 4 3 times 12. 4 2 times 8. 3 1 time. 3 7 times 21. 7 into 2 14 kilometers. Distance equal to 14 kilometers. If he runs at a speed of 10 km per hour, in what time he will cover the same distance? And required time equal to distance by speed. Distance is same, 14 km divided by new speed is 10 km per hour equal to 1.4 hour. 1.4 hour in minutes, 1.4 into 60 equal to 84 minutes. Option D. Question number 45. 20 buckets can fill a tank when the capacity of each bucket is 12 liters. If the capacity of each bucket is 10 liters, find the number of buckets required to fill the tank. 20 buckets can fill a tank when the capacity of each bucket is 12 liters equal to the capacity of each bucket is 10 liters into number of buckets. Number of buckets is x. 10 one time, 10 two times 20. So x is equal to 24. So 24 buckets required to fill the tank. Or so each bucket is 12 liters. So one bucket equal to 12 liters. Twenty buckets can fill the tank when the capacity of 20 buckets can fill the tank. So 20 buckets equal to 12 into 20, 240 liters. 12 into 20, 240 liters. So 240 liters is the tank capacity. If the capacity of each bucket is 10 liters, find the number of buckets required to fill the tank. So 240 liters divided by 10 liters. 0 0 cancel. 24 buckets. So 24 buckets required to fill the tank. Option C. Question number 46. If 70% of the students in the school are boys and the number of girls be 504, the number of boys is 70% of the students are boys. That means 30% girls. So 30% equal to 504. 3 10 times 30. 3 16 times 48. And remaining 24, 3 items 24. So 10% equal to 168. The number of boys is, boys percentage is 70. So 70% equal to 70% of the students in the school. So 70% equal to question mark. Into 7 left side and also same into 7 right side. 8 7 times 56. 6 is the unit digit. By options verification, only one option, option B. The number of boys is 1176. Number of boys is 1176. Question number 47. The average age of 30 boys in a class is 15 years. If we include the age of 2 teachers, the average increased by 1. Find the sum of ages of the 2 teachers. So total age of 30 boys equal to 30 into 15 years equal to 450 years. Include the age of 2 teachers. So 30 boys plus 2 teachers. 32. 30 plus 2, 32 into 15 years and average age is increased by 1. Increased by 1 year. So 15 years plus 1 year, 16 years. 32 into 16 equal to 512 years. Therefore, sum of ages of the 2 teachers equal to 512 years minus 450 years equal to 62 years. Option C. Question number 48. The length and perimeter of a rectangular are in the ratio 5:18. Then the length and breadth will be in the ratio. Length equal to 5. Rectangle perimeter equal to 18. Perimeter of rectangle, 2 times of L plus B equal to 18. So L plus B equal to 9. L value substitute here. 5 plus B equal to 9 and B is equal to 4. Length equal to 5, breadth equal to 4. The length and breadth will be in the ratio. L is to B. Length is to breadth equal to 5 is to 4. Option C. Question number 49. The sum of two numbers is 40 and their difference is 4. The ratio of the numbers is. Sum of two numbers is 40. X plus y equal to 40. And their difference is 4. X minus y equal to 4. And this is first equation, and x minus y equal to 4 is second equation. Solving 1 and 2. X plus y equal to 40 and x minus y equal to 4. Plus y minus y cancel. X plus x, 2x equal to 44. So x is equal to 22. So x value substituted in equation 1. 22 plus y is equal to 40 and y is equal to 18. The ratio of the numbers is x is to y equal to 22 is to 18. To 11 times to 9 times 18. Cancel. So x is to y equal to 11 is to 9. Option C. Question number 50. The ages of a Samir and Tanuj are in the ratio 8. After 9 years, the ratio of their ages will be 11 is to 18. What is the difference in years between their ages? Samir and Tanuj are in the ratio 8 is to 15. After 9 years, the ratio of their ages will be 11 is to 18. And new ratio is 11 is to 18. 8 minus 11 difference is 3 and 15 and 18 difference is 3. So overall difference is 3. So 3 ratio equal to 9 years after 9 years. So 3 ratio equal to 9 years. So 1 ratio equal to 3 years. Difference in years between their ages. 15 ratio minus 8 ratio equal to 7 ratio. Equal to 7 into 1 ratio equal to 3 years. So 7 into 3 years, 21 years. 21 years difference in years between their ages. Option D. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching this video.